Welcome back to News Channel 5 at 6:30. We continue to watch not only storms that have moved through here, prompted some warnings, that Storm 5 alert that we'll take until about 7 o'clock, but we also continue to watch the tropics. Florida, a number of hurricane watches and tropical storm watches have already gone up, storm surge watches as well. This is going to be a problem over the next couple of days, and this storm will have impacts here at home by the weekend. We'll talk about that in a moment. West-northwest movement at about 12 miles per hour currently. Once this gets out of the Caribbean into the warm waters of the Gulf, we expect it to intensify at a rapid pace. Landfall likely sometime Thursday night, early Friday morning around the Florida Panhandle. And models are staying consistent, keeping this at a major hurricane around Category 3 strength with winds around 115 miles per hour. Heavy rainfall will move into the southeast, and as this storm makes its way even towards Atlanta, it could still have tropical storm force winds. We could see some inland tropical storm warnings from it, but it'll fall apart by the time it takes a left turn. So for us, humid and some rain, but we won't have all the tropical characteristics with it that our friends to the south will be dealing with from Helene. So right now, winds at 50 miles per hour, but again, by tomorrow, as this gets into those open waters of the Gulf, it's going to intensify at a pretty rapid pace. We still have some showers and thunderstorms moving through. Everything below severe limits. A nice cluster of storms, though, moving into Dickson County, southern parts of Montgomery County right now. Also watching these storms that are just west of Waynesboro for some gusty winds, that lightning as well, and even some small hail that can't be ruled out. Tonight, isolated shower and storm chances. And then as we get into tomorrow, the rain chances aren't gone despite that front moving through. The temperatures will be cooler, but we'll see some scattered storm chances. Models have really not done a good job truly depicting the rain potential we'll see. Notice how it's trying to put most of it to the west. I think it'll be a little more scattered than this, and that will continue into your Wednesday as well. And going into Thursday, we'll see more of the same. So tonight, a shower, an isolated thunderstorm in there, 66 degrees, a southwest wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as we head into tomorrow, only 80. Typical high is about 83, so we're going to be closer to normal now. Lows in the mid-60s. Shower chances lingering into your Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday and Sunday. That will be remnants of Helene. It's going to be humid, but we're not expecting, again, major impacts. It's just the rain concerns. We'll probably from now until Sunday see about 2 to 5 inches of rain. And then next week, the middle of next week, is when we'll finally dry out. But Steve, all eyes on the cold front moving through now and then to the tropics. It's going to be an unsettled week here at home.